Analytics Insight, your one-stop destination for all the latest and greatest in technology. I am your host Akanksha, and in today's Top Tech Stories, we are packed with AI launches, big corporate moves, and massive deals that could reshape the global tech landscape. So without further ado, let's get started with today's Top Tech Stories. So Google has officially confirmed that its AI-powered smart glasses will launch in 2026. These glasses are expected to use advanced on-device AI for real-time translation, navigation, visual search, and daily assistance. This move puts Google back into the wearable race with a strong focus on practical everyday AI experiences. Reports suggest that Google is preparing to launch its Nano Banana 2 Flash AI image generation tool. The new version is expected to deliver faster processing, sharper visuals, and improved prompt accuracy. If launched, it could directly challenge existing AI image platforms and strengthen Google's creative AI ecosystem globally. Indian IT giant HCL Tech has partnered with France-based Dolphin Semiconductor to co-develop energy-efficient semiconductor solutions. The focus will be on low-power chip designs for next-generation electronics, IoT devices, and AI hardware. This partnership strengthens India's position in sustainable and advanced semiconductor development for global supply chains and future innovations. Apple has reportedly witnessed another high-profile exit as a senior executive has joined OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT. This marks a significant talent shift from traditional tech giant to a pure-play AI firm. This move highlights how AI companies are aggressively attracting top leadership from established tech brands worldwide. IBM is in focus as its massive Confluent deal is pushing the company deeper into what analysts call hyper AI mode. By strengthening its data streaming and real-time analytics capabilities, IBM aims to boost AI-driven cloud services for enterprises worldwide, making its long-term growth story far more aggressive. And that's it for today's Top Tech Stories. I hope you found this video informational. If you did, then make sure you subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.